और जो सबसे अच्छी बात है वो ये है that despite this being the most affordable BMW, frameless windows you see right here. You also get dual exhaust here. Now how these sound will come to that when we'll get behind the wheel. So जैसा बताया था, performs like a BMW should. And if you just mash the throttle, it will go right up to 5,200 RPM like a rocket. When it comes to fun to drive, it's the 2GC that you want to be in. BMW की सबसे सस्ती गाड़ी इंडिया में, the 2 Series Grand Coupe has been updated with a new variant, the M Performance variant that adds a sense of sportiness to the already sexy design, courtesy all the cosmetic updates you see here right on the car. अब ये सबसे सस्ती गाड़ी तो है, but it not only rivals the likes of the Mercedes-Benz GLA or the A-Class or the Audi A3 or other entry-level cars, but also flagship of mass car brands like the Toyota Fortuner, the Skoda Kodiaq, or even the Toyota Camry for that matter. But in this review, what we are going to find out is that what will offer more bang for your buck, a proper premium car like the 2 Series from a luxury car brand or mass market car, और अगर ये premium car है जो सबसे ज़्यादा affordable है, does it justify, or how well does it justify that premium car brand tag is exactly we will be talking about in this video, and it is going to be a detailed one, so stay tuned till the end because lots coming your way. But उससे पहले I have an exciting news for you. The Park Plus Petrol League or PPL is live, and last year 20 lakh people won petrol worth rupees 50 crores and more, and this time we have bigger prizes including a mega bumper prize. So if you haven't downloaded Park Plus your car app yet, go ahead and do that straight away because this time it's your chance to win big. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं and let's get to know the 2GC M Performance in detail. तो चलिए हमेशा की तरह शुरुआत करते हैं डिज़ाइन के साथ. Now the 2 Series has always looked sporty and the M Performance amplifies the whole character. Now you see nice Titan grey finish around the grille. Now the grille it's the same unit but आपके पास यहाँ पर studs Titan grey में finish किए हुए मिलते हैं and the surroundings as well. A nice contrast and it's subtle, so I like that treatment here. Obviously you have the BMW logo that has its own appeal and novelty, and you have same finish on the air curtains as well. आपके पास headlights बिल्कुल same wrap around treatment के साथ LED headlights मिलते हैं. These again look very sleek. It's the same unit that we have seen in the 2 Series, and the overall affair again, the hunkered down stance and the rising window line looks very sporty, and especially when you come towards the profile, it has that classic sedan silhouette, you know, very much intact, and I love that stance. You have again similar Titan grey finish on the ORVMs, embossing the alloy wheels. Now यहाँ पर ये वही पुराना alloy wheels में मिलता. I would have loved if this would have been updated because जो 3 Series में हमें 3 Series Li में जो हमें alloy wheels मिलती है, I love that design. Would have really gone with the sporty styling of the car here. 17 इंच के आपको wheels मिलते हैं. लो प्रोफाइल टायर्स है जो इंडियन ड्राइविंग कंडीशन में थोड़ा सा इशू कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इन्हें बचाना पड़ता है. Again, given all the potholes and rough tarmac that we have in India. But other than that, in terms of design, I think it goes really well with the overall character. और जो सबसे अच्छी बात है वो ये है that despite this being the most affordable BMW, again, it has that premium sense very much intact in the way it looks. Now that sporty character is very much apparent even at the rear. Design पहले के जैसे काफ़ी अच्छी sporty लगती है, quite sleek. Love the wraparound treatment of the sleek LED tail lights here. But उससे भी ज़्यादा जो चीज़ यहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा attract करती है, that is the sloping C-pillar. Very elegantly it falls onto the boot and has that coupe kind of appeal going very strong with it. You also get dual exhaust here. Now how the sound will come to that when we'll get behind the wheel. So now I'm inside the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe M Performance, and the task I have is to find out exactly what is new in this car, क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पर कुछ नया नहीं दिख रहा है. Honestly, ये पहले जो स्टैंडर्ड BMW 2 सीरीज GC हमें मिलती थी एग्जैक्टली वैसी ही कैबिन है, सेम लेआउट. द ओनली थिंग न्यू दैट आई कैन साइट इज द M logo on the steering wheel and on the gear lever. It's the same old stubby gear lever, not the switch that we get in new BMW cars. और honestly overall layout मुझे यहाँ पर पसंद है. Now people complain that it's not the new modern BMW layout जहाँ पर आपके पास curved display होता है integrating the touchscreen and the digital instrument cluster. We have standalone units here, but these have got all the features very much intact. The 10.25 inch touchscreen, it is slightly smaller in terms of size comparatively, but has got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, BMW connected car text. You have all the preloaded apps as well. But the interface, the user interface should have been updated क्योंकि ये वही पुराना इंटरफेस है जो पहले मिलता था. That is a bit complex. New one is very user friendly. The digital instrument cluster has all the information, has navigation view as well, and again graphics on both screens are quite crisp and sharp. So वहाँ पर कोई complaint नहीं है. Neat and modern execution भी आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाता है. You also have the head-up display giving you other information right in front of you. जो चीज़ मुझे यहाँ पर ज़्यादा पसंद आती है नई BMW कार से इज़ दैट यू हैव प्रॉपर फिजिकल बटन्स फॉर AC कंट्रोल्स. वहाँ पर आपको टच स्क्रीन के थ्रू AC को कंट्रोल करना पड़ता था. नाउ यू हैव प्रॉपर बटन्स हियर, सो वन टच कंट्रोल है. यू डोंट नीड टू टेक योर आइज ऑफ द रोड एंड इट्स वेरी ईजी टू यूज़. नाउ नाइस फीडबैक एज वेल, नाइट फिनिश ऑफ द बटन्स एज वेल. जो चीज़ मुझे प्रीमियम कार में पसंद आती है, वो जो अपील आपको यहाँ पर मिलती है, दैट इज़ कि इट हैज़ गॉट द क्वालिटी एंड द सेंस ऑफ अप मार्केटनेस very much intact. यहाँ पर वो cost cutting आपको नहीं दिखता, flimsy element नहीं दिखता. So in that term, I think it is worth going for a premium brand if you want that sense of sophistication inside the cabin. Features भी आपको, as I said, सारे के सारे मिल जाते हैं. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto जैसा बताया, wireless charging, auto dimming, IRVM, a nice steering wheel with all the controls, paddle shifters, a premium sound system, nice ambient lighting on the dashboard that extends the doors as well, and 12-way adjustable both front seats. So driver and the co-driver seat are power adjustable for height. You have under high support adjustment as well. So again, in terms of features, you get all the features that you expect in a proper premium car, including this panoramic sunroof. So honestly, वहाँ पर कोई कंप्लेन नहीं है. एंड इवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेफ्टी फीचर्स, इट हैज़ गॉट 6 एयरबैग्स एज स्टैंडर्ड. इट हैज़ गॉट डायनामिक स्टेबिलिटी कंट्रोल, कॉर्नर कंट्रोल, ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल. सो it has got you covered in every aspect still. And furthermore, adding to that luxury car and more so sports car like appeal are elements like frameless windows you see right here. And now behind the wheel of the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe M Performance. और चलाने के मामले में ये जो 2 Series हमने पहले चला रखी थी उससे बिल्कुल भी अलग नहीं है, which is a good thing because though it is the most affordable BMW out there in the market, it still drives like a proper Bavarian, and that is something that you are going to like. It runs a 2-liter turbo petrol engine that belts out 189 brake horsepower at 5000 RPM and 280 Newton meters of peak torque right from 1350, yes, as low as 1350 RPM to 4500 RPM. So rev band काफ़ी अच्छी मिलने वाली है, performance काफ़ी desirable आपको वहाँ पर मिलता है, and it is mated to the 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. And with that, let's get to the performance first. So जैसा बताया था, performs like a BMW should. A gentle push on the throttle and it takes off, and that brings a smile on your face because power delivery में कुछ भी lack आपको वहाँ पर दिखने वाला नहीं है. And again, you will just want to push it harder given that you have good roads. Roads BMW 2 GC के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करते हैं because ये कार यूरोपियन ड्राइविंग कंडीशन को ज़्यादा फेवर करती है रादर देन इंडियन ड्राइविंग कंडीशन. इसके 2 कारण है. सबसे पहला, सस्पेंशन काफ़ी स्टिफ है, सो अच्छे रोड पर हैंडलिंग तो काफ़ी अच्छी हो जाती है, बट राइड क्वालिटी यस थोड़ा सा वहाँ पर आपको देखना पड़ता है. एंड देन इट राइड्स लो प्रोफाइल टायर्स. यस, सो लो प्रोफाइल टायर्स में प्रॉब्लम बस एक ही होती है कि अगर आपके पास ख़राब रास्ते आए, यू ऑलवेज हैव दैट फियर ऑफ डैमेजिंग द साइड वॉल या फिर टायर बर्स्ट होने का. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन कि मैंने थोड़ा सा 2 पॉइंट प्रेशर कम कर दिया हुआ है एंड इट इज़ मैनेजिंग क्वाइट वेल. बट यस, राइड क्वालिटी पे थोड़ा सा असर उसका पड़ता है, उसमें बाद में आएंगे. बट एज फार एज परफॉर्मेंस गोज, there's a straight elevation right from 1400 rpm to 5000 rpm without any lag. So if you have the road and if you just mash the throttle, it will go right up to 5000 5200 rpm like a rocket, and that is lovely, and that is again very fun and very entertaining behind the wheel. The most desirable performance you'll get in the sports mode. So just switch to sports. I have it in the individual, and those dual exhaust, they keep you entertained all along. Every time you floor it, you're going to hear that lovely music from that exhaust. So yes, power output mein, it is the most fun to drive car in its segment and its price point, and you are always going to exploit its performance because that's what you love to do. And the handling favors that. So the steering, again, just like any BMW, even this steering is very engaging. It gives you ample feedback behind the wheel, is very fluidic in terms of response, and you have a good command on the entire length of the car. You know what your nose is doing, you know where your tires are going, and it is very grippy and very pointy. Just chuck it around the corner and you will be surprised the way it maintains its poise. And yes, exactly why you would be exploiting its performance, and it is not going to disappoint you with its handling whatsoever. Now yes, it is fun behind the wheel, but एक चीज़ जो थोड़ी सी issue हो सकती है, that is that whenever you will be going for a sudden acceleration, there will be just a slight torque steer which you will feel. Now that is not a problem, but yes, you are just going to feel a bit of that shudder. And since we are speaking of ground clearance, there's one thing which could be problematic for Indian drivers, and that is its 152 millimeters ground clearance. Kam hai, and whenever you'll be going over speed breakers, you'll really have to watch out, especially when the car has 4 passengers on board, because us time pe the chances of scraping its belly is actually higher. So yes, you will have to watch out for bad roads and speed breakers, potholes, etc. Now BMW 2 Series GC में एक प्रॉब्लम है जो हो सकती है, वो इसकी इनग्रेस और ईग्रेस. बिकॉज एक तो डोर की विड्थ जो है वो थोड़ी सी छोटी है, एंड काफ़ी गाड़ी लो स्लंग भी है. सो दैट्स वाई यू नो you'll have to watch your head and you'll have to really bend down to get in the car, and that could be a problem especially for taller passengers. So now I'm at the rear seat of the BMW 2 Series GC, and honestly ये place tall passengers के लिए थोड़ी सी problematic हो सकती है, because the sense of space that is a bit compromised. The glass house area ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, and even the panoramic sunroof, it doesn't extend till here. वो हो भी नहीं सकता because again roof की height और sloping roof line है उसके कारण से, and even the knee room is a bit tight. Though you have a scoop here, but still, you know, people of a certain height like 5 feet 8 inches, 5 feet 9 inches at max will be comfortable here. उससे tall passengers को यहाँ पर थोड़ी problem हो सकती है, and children will be very comfortable at this space. The rear seat itself, the under thigh support could be improved just a bit. अभी adequate है, थोड़ा और improve हो सकता था. Knee room I think is ample enough for me. In fact मैं seat के अंदर पैर डाल के I can get a decent leg room as well. But yes, cushioning भी seat की थोड़ी सी firm ज़्यादा है. That is a problem for all the seats. थोड़ी सी और soft cushioning इसकी हो सकती थी. So on a longer commute, I think एक certain distance के बाद आपको वो चीज़ थोड़ी सी problem लगेगी. Nothing of a deal breaker, but still could have been improved slightly. Now in terms of features, आपके पास AC vents है, 2 charging ports है. I have this armrest with cup holder, so ये सारे features आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाते हैं. And उसके बाद I think in terms of overall comfort, थोड़ी सी improvement और हो सकती थी यहाँ पे. Also the same goes for ride quality, because as we said, suspension is set on the stiffer side, so the rear passenger will feel all the thuds a bit sharply at the rear. That is an issue, but undulations पे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. वर्टिकल मूवमेंट्स वहाँ थोड़े कंट्रोल रहते हैं. ख़राब रास्तों पे वो जस्ट थोड़ी सी एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। एंड जस्ट दैट, अगर फीचर इंटीग्रेट करने की बात करें, आई थिंक रियर विंडो ब्लाइंड्स और रियर विंडस्क्रीन ब्लाइंड्स भी यहाँ पर दिया जा सकता था। So finally, what's the Park Plus verdict? अब देखिए, the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe M Performance is priced at 46 lakh rupees ex showroom and is around 50,000 rupees more expensive than the standard 2GC. और इस प्राइस पे हमें मानना होगा that you have other options available in the market as well. Mass car market में ये 4x4 SUVs like the Toyota Fortuner और a comfortable sedan like the Toyota Camry, and even on the luxury car market side you have options like the BMW X1 itself, which is a practical and more comfortable option, and obviously the GLA is there, the Q3 is there, but वो सारी गाड़ियाँ आपको comfort, practicality सब offer करेंगी. On the other hand, the BMW 2 Series will offer you sporty design, sporty looks, a premium, a proper premium car appeal, and if you have good roads, it is the most fun to drive car in that price range. So if you're willing to compromise a bit on the ride quality part, और अगर आपकी commute बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब रास्तों पे नहीं होने वाली है, I think the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe M Performance is what you will love whenever you will be behind the wheel. And on that note, to subscribe to the Park Plus channel, to hit the bell icon to stay notified, and to head to the app for all the updates in the Indian Car Bazaar. I'm Shubham Parashar and I'll see you in the next video. लेकिन जाने से पहले let me remind you that the Park Plus Petrol League and PPL is live, and this time it's your chance to win big.